Ay! Yan o.
So what's up mga paps, good evening, good morning. So for today's video guys, ito na po si Gian guys. So tignan mo naman si Gian, naman ginagawa na ng siraulo na naman ito. Wala pa yung tulog, so yan, dinidrill niya yan. Ito yung silbing float niya guys. So may pasensya na niya ng tunog ko kasi medyo may lagnat si Gian, pero okay lang ang ganyan. Tignan mo naman. So sa part na ito guys, ito po yung turi-turi ng ating main jet guys. So ayan, ginagrind ni Gian para maging plain at dyan papasok yung hose natin. Pero may second version dyan para direct na siya sa jet talaga. So wait and see. So ayan guys, tingnan mo. Oh, ang baba ay palata. Oh, joke lang, hindi kami adik. So ito guys, ang gagamitin natin carb, siyempre pitch spike. Ayan, sisirain natin to guys kasi sobrang ganda nito. Ayan, pero pasensya na uncle, pero ayan, wala tayong magagawa, wala tayong ibang carb. So ayan, sisirain natin. Ayan, hindi naman siya tinatawag sira. I-upgrade natin siya. So ayan, let's go. So ayan guys, side niya, ayan, sobrang align. Oh, ayan, tignan mo naman. Oh, okay kayo. Tignan mo ka. Align.
So guys, this is the power of our carburetor. Now, the position of this carburetor is going to be like this. So if you're gonna put the normal float and valve and all the jets, it's gonna overflow. Mentally and physically, it's impossible. But we are not Filipino, we are rap Italiano and Baho Tag-Ilok, and that's the problem. At ito ang gagawin natin. So ayan, this is our custom-made bowl. This is going to be our hose going to the bowl. So this is how it's gonna work. So if you go to school, if you finish high school science, kasi because I am engineer, major in science and fiction, ayan. So we're gonna do like this. This is the first prototype design. It's gonna be like this. So bowl. This is gonna be the bowl of the carb. It's gonna go right here. This is no need ka na mag-manifold. Just directly into the head. Ganyan. So ito ay tinatawag na parang downdraft, but it's may term akong iba ito. Ganyan. Diba? Easy tune. Pinaka-easy mag-tune ng carb. Ito ata pinaka-bilis sa buong mundo. The first in the world, I think, or no, I don't know. But yan. Mas maganda pa ito kaysa kay More Racing eh. Shout out to you boss, you American fucker. Look at my design. So how the carburetor works guys. So here I will show you. So we have two jets here. We got the slow jet and the main jet. Now the purpose of the slow jet is like this. We have the needle. So this is the position. So the purpose of the slow jet while you're idling like this. So the system working is the slow jet. This is this one. So it's gonna go here. Here about two holes here, which means gonna get air from the slow jet directly here. You see that hole here? That hole. Yan. Okay. Now you're gonna throttle half like that. So that's still from 0 to half. That's slow jet. But from half to full, main jet. Okay? Understand? Half, close to half, slow jet. Close to middle. Middle to full, main jet. Okay? Okay. Now, we're gonna do like this. Downdraft. The first. The worst. Okay. So this is the formation of our carburation automation. Downdraft, updraft, mega trap. So okay. This is I call the Gianni carb. So we got air and fuel directly into the cylinder head. Gravity help me, Lord. Ganyan. What? Ganyan. That's the sound. Okay. Now how this works? Okay, very simple. You got a drill hole. This is gonna be your valves, casillas ba? Okay, this one like this. We're gonna go in here like that. So, okay. Now this is the valve. This is the formation of your carburation. Now, these two, the pink one is the slow jet, black is the main jet, and these two, this is the inlet and this is the breather, which gonna be, you're gonna put a longer hose, upper a little than your tank, because fluid will never overflow once it's like this. But if it's over, it's gonna overflow, it's gonna come back. So if it's not, it's lower than the water above, because if you go to school, you understand science, okay? If the water is level above, it's not going to overlap if there is no pump, okay? So we're gonna do a gravity feed, because carburation is only gravity feed into the carburetor here. There will be no more floater and rocket to open and close. We do it manually, so no more overflow, okay? So overflow, so because I'm tired of overflowing in the racetrack, so you're gonna do like this. If you're lacking main jet, tanggalin mo lang yan and you replace your jettings. Just as simple. No more fuel, tanggal ang gas, ganyan, balik na naman, sige, tono. No, it's better than FI. No, FI is better, but this one is a little better than like that, motherfucker. Okay, you put like this, you remove the hose, you change the jet, and you put it back like that. Okay, and now you're going to start the engine. Okay, we need to replace the slow head. Palitan mo yung slow head, medyo na puro sa luar PM. Okay, Gian, okay. Relax ka lang, okay. Ganyan lang, tanggalin mo lang yan. Flat screw, balik. Okay, balik. Okay, walang nangyari. You never pull out the carb, you never pull out the float. Nothing happened. Easy, but I need to test it. If it works, okay. If no works, okay then. Okay, at least I tried my best. Pero hindi niya ako mahal. Iniwan niya ako kasi wala akong ligo ngayong araw na to. Pero maliligo na ako mamaya. Okay, let's go. This is the manifold going in here. So guys, there's the manifold. Strike. Loh, parang throttle body. Okay. Nice. So, okay. Next step is guys, bisita kami guys. Kung paandar mo motor start tanan, gari mo nila sir. Reklamo mo silingan. Atay, wala eh. Basta ako nung motor mo po pag-andar gud. Grabe naman sa di. Daraw, motor. Ay, nag-aso pong gini. Hindi na gini maogid. Mupay pag-andar, segundo lang abot din sila. Reklamo din sila. So ayan guys, papalitan natin ang jet guys from 105 to 115. So ganito lang kadali guys, Ganyan lang yung jet Ano ba yun? Ito, 115. Ayan. Ganyan lang ganyan. Yung jet natin. Ganyan. ganyan kadali mag-jettings ito. Ayan o. Ganyan. Balik ang hose. Yan. So, diba? Ganyan lang kadali. So, lagyan ko ito ng gas. Try natin ipa-under ba? Diba?
Orlandex, oh? Orlandex. Security, oh?
Ayan. Video mo, Carl.
Security, oh.
Success, ayan, minuro. Yan, tignan mo paano ang sitwasyon natin, oh. Yan, oh. Flow through carburation, ayan. So ito, lalagay natin to dito. Ayan, depende sa chance, cutter lang tayo konti. Ayan. Let's go! So ayan guys, gagawa ko ng bago ito para hindi na siya mag-overflow dyan. Gagawa ko ng bago nito. Let's go!
Let's live.
It's alive, we're packers! Ah!
One, Prince.
So guys, tignan mo yung formation natin. Ayan, dito sa gilid. Dito sa gilid, oh. Makita nyo. So ito guys, ito po yung carb. Hindi yan gumagana. Wala yan purpose. So, kumukuha lang tayo ng gas dito para feed sa slow jet at main jet. Sample pa lang to. Temporary kasi hindi gumana yung ano ko. Kailangan kasi ng ano storage. Mabilis pumunta ng gas. So, ayan yung invento ko. So, ito yung main natin na carb. Para na siyang throttle body. Malakas.
Long ride, long ride. Long ride, long ride.
Let's go. Papakita ko sa inyo guys, ito yung Throttle Direct Carburation System by GN Works. Quick response, bro. Parang throttle body. Let's go. Chill ride. So try namin ito kay Tuki sa track bike namin, pero gagawin muna namin itong paraan na mas malinis na setup, okay? This is temporary, direct. Imagine wala nang manifold, direkta. Mas maganda ito kaysa sa FI. consumption niya, yung maganda lang kasi dito is yung carburation, yung air, diretso na mismo sa head, diretso na sa valve talaga. Tunid ka ng mga yung mga maliit na manifold. Talagang walang manifold na to eh. Dito eh. Diba? Yes, it's work for the bagger! Signature natin mamaya. Slow load na ganyan. Muli na! Umusok kaya medyo hindi yung carburetor ganyan kasi close compression na to eh. Ayan. Walang purot yan. Yes! So ayan guys, gagawa ko ng mas malinis sa setup. Mas maganda. Oh. Up, liliko tayo. Malakas talaga guys eh. Oh. Ayan yung formation oh. Ay, sumingaw pala yung manifold natin. Good eh. Yung mga idle, ito yung gumagana. Pag nag-rev ka na, see? Ulit ito, zoom mo. Kita. So ayan. So pag nag-idle ka, ito yung gumagana. See? Wala. Pag nirev ko na, minor. May minor. Pero ayan, ito yung ito yung gumagana. Ayan, ito lang. Yes, motherfucker! So gagawa tayo ng mas malinis sa setup guys. So ito play sample kasi yung bowl na ginamit natin guys is walang dito yan eh. So kailangan kung saan yung carb, dito yung carb. So dito sa gilid yung bowl natin. So yan na lang yung mahirap gawin. So at least yung prototype, ayan, yung prototype natin is gumana. It works! The first in the world? No, I think no, hindi. Pero at least nagawa natin na budget talaga. As in wala akong nagastos dito eh. Talagang winasak ko lang tong pitch bike na carb at yun. Sorry Col. At least gumana Col, ayos. Papalitan ko na lang. Balik. Tignan natin kung one click ba. Ganyan lang na simple. Tara, naman tayo ng milk tea. Let's go. Balik. Wala ng gas. Wala na. So, okay. Let's go. guys, gumana yung experiment natin. Siyempre, lalagay natin yung signature natin para kung sino yung magbasa nito, garantisadong gumana. So, ayan. So, ito, marami na din ako nagawa sa buhay ko. Sa mga na-tested ko na din. Ayan. Meron yung nakasulat pag open mo. Pwede mong basahin, pero bawal mong sabihin. Ito lang yung mabibilin ko sa inyo, mga anak ko. Ayan lang po. Maraming salamat. Guys, papandar natin guys. So, cold start. So, ayan yung ano natin. Kahit yep. Hop. Ayan. Idol. Yan. So, pag nirep ko, ayos talaga guys, so napakaganda ng idol niya, ayan. Sa mga nagsasabi na lunod, hindi po lunod, ayan o. Ganda ng idol o. Ganda. Ayun. Ayos na guys, let's go. Napakaganda ng andar guys. So hindi siya lunod, saktong-sakto lang. So pag ni-rev ko siya guys, itong gas guys, nagta-transfer silang dalawa, slow at main. So example guys, pag ano nasa race track ka na at gusto mong mag-jettings, ito lang gagawin mo. Tanggalin mo lang to. At ayan na yung main jet mo. Or yung slow jet, tanggalin mo lang to. Ayan na yung slow jet mo. Yan. So ito na po yung tinating ko na carb, silver bowl niya. So ayan. Pinibol tayo lang temporary. Pero, yan. Kumuha siya dito ng gas. Dito sa breather ng extra carb. Yan. Dinalpakan ko lang ng gasketol. Idle mix. Air mix. Dito ka mag-adjust ng air mix mo. Same pa rin. Yan. Idle, air mix. Main jet, slow jet. Wala nang float. Siya yung ano ng float. Dito pumapasok yung gas. Matapos may floater dyan sa loob. Dito, sumisip-sip ng gas. Ito, isa lang yung linya nila para yung Venturi, isa lang. Dalawa sila, nagbabalik-balik lang silang dalawa. Ito. So, ganyan yung ano natin. So, sa stage nito, wala pang gas. Oh. So, yan. May pundo yan. Yan yung maliit na pundo na yan. Yan yung silbi. Pag kinik mo na, diretso na yan. Isang kick mo lang, ihigop na niya yan. Kung itong main jet higop or itong slow jet. So nasa kanilang dalawa na yan kung sino yung hihigop. Sa high RPM ito. Sa pagpaandar mo ito talaga. Kasi close yung valve natin eh. Pag close yung valve dito papasok yung hangin. Dito sa kanila ito air mix yan eh. Ito yung adjust ng air mo. Yan dyan. Dito. Pasok siya dyan. Yan. May linya yan ah. Tignan mo. Yan ah. Dyan. Kumukuha siya ng tignan mo. Dito. Slow jet. Punta dyan. Diba? Simple lang. Simple physics lang to yan. The GN's law. GN's law of physics.